Welcome to this Jet Worldwide presentation, Shipping to Canada from Japan. This presentation explains the fundamental aspects of international shipping from Japan. If you're involved or want to get involved with international shipping, you should become familiar with these basic concepts. To assist with navigating this video, each subject is presented section by section, from data necessary for customs declarations, free trade, and non-resident imports, to the best shipping modes and parcel carrier options. An accompanying PDF with additional information and helpful links is available on our website or in the description below. Let's get started. First up, HS codes. Japan and Canada have online resources to assist with HS codes. In Japan, the 9-digit statistical codes are used for commodity classifications and customs declarations. The 6-digit HS code is internationally harmonized under the World Customs Organization standards, or WCO, thus shared with Canada. For help with translating your product description to an HS code, visit our HS Code blog, which includes an in-depth video presentation. For assistance with finding a Canadian HS code, you can go directly to the Canadian Customs Tariff. Alternatively, a great resource to consider is the online tool from the Canada Export Development Corporation. These resources link directly from our website. Declared value. In the majority of cases, the correct value to declare at export and import is the transaction value. The transaction value is simply the price paid or payable for the goods. Canadian Customs, CBSA, considers a value for duty to be the cost of goods plus shipping and insurance, known as the CIF value, cost, insurance, freight. Best to specify these three costs on your invoice. If the transaction price is inclusive of shipping and insurance, you should include the term CIF value. In some cases, there is no direct transaction, such as sending samples, warranty parts, or a transfer between related entities. Visit our blog on valuation for additional information. Country of origin. Just as shipping from Japan to Canada is not the same as shipping Japanese origin goods. Japanese origin goods are those that meet the rules of origin defined within the CPTPP Free Trade Agreement, which we'll cover later. All shipments from Japan are subject to standard import processing. The default most favored nation duty rate will apply, unless the goods qualify as originating. And there are restrictions on certain categories, including food, drugs, and alcohol. Resulting duty assessment. In most cases, import duty is determined by three main factors: tariff classification, or HS code, country of origin, and value. The tariff classification and country of origin determine the percentage to apply to the value for duty. Note that all imports, even if imported duty-free, are subject to Canadian federal and provincial taxes. Visit our blog outlining other common Canadian import fees. Export declaration from Japan. Exports declared to the Japanese Director General of Customs. Information necessary includes the classification of goods, the quantity, unit price, and other particulars. Note that the HS code used for export from Japan may differ from the Canadian code. The CPTPP Free Trade Agreement. The Comprehensive and Progressive Agreement for Trans-Pacific Partnership, or CPTPP, is a free trade agreement between 11 countries, including Canada and Japan. The key advantage for merchandise or goods is that Japanese origin goods can qualify for preferential duty-free import to Canada, and vice versa. Be sure to include a certification of origin if you're requesting duty-free import via this agreement. Non-resident importer program to Canada. The NRI program allows Japanese businesses to get a Canadian business number. Essentially, you can act as your own distributor to Canada. The requirements include record keeping and posting of a surety bond. Imagine sending your goods in bulk to Jet Worldwide via low-cost ocean, clearing the goods as a non-resident importer, and having your order shipped on demand across Canada from Canada. Moreover, these same goods can ship from Canada to the USA direct via low-cost ground, taking advantage of the $800 duty-free threshold to the US. That's the type of opportunity you have with Jet Worldwide. Shipping options: Japan to Canada and North America, returns, and reverse logistics. The international parcel shipping options from Japan include the obvious choices of name brand couriers: FedEx, UPS, DHL, and the local Japan Post. In general, Japan Post options are best for individual shipping personal packages. Contact our team for shipping commercial packages, e-commerce orders, and cargo. In general, the best way or mode of shipping depends primarily on the size and weight of your consignment. The necessary time frame is also a factor, but cost usually wins out over a faster transit. Air cargo offers a lower price for smaller shipments. For larger consignments and pallets, sea freight is a preferred option. These are some of the factors our team considers to find your best shipping option. Get support for returns with a local receiving address. Benefit from forwarding across Canada and the US. We can receive your Amazon removal orders and ship them back to you in Japan. Basically, if you ever ask the question, wouldn't it be great to have a partner in Canada and North America? Well, now you do. Jet Worldwide. Consult with Jet's best-in-class logistics team for rates and project support.